Hi everyone, welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang. It's easy, tasty Korean cooking channel. I'm Eugene. Today's menu is TteokBokki, which is very popular Korean soul food, stir-fried rice cakes. There are so many variations for TteokBokki these days, but I will make the classic version with the Chu Jang today. The Chu Jang is a spicy chili paste that I used for TteokBokki video. If you didn't watch it, go check it out, okay? TteokBokki is also very tasty. TteokBokki is a bit spicy, so if this is the first time to try it, you might need some milk to protect your stomach. Also, boiled eggs, ramen, or fried dumplings are very good pair with the TteokBokki. So if you have these at home, try with it, okay? All the ingredients with the links are on the description of this video, so take a look. So are you ready for the perfect classic gochujang tteokbokki? It's very easy to make. So let's get started. Prepare the vegetables. Chop the half of onions and 2 green onions. Cut the fish cake to the 1-inch squares. Put the rice cakes in the water. This way we can prevent the rice cakes stick to each other. Now let's make the sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of gochujang, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. So it's 3-3-3-2. It will be a little spicy, but the classic tteokbokki should be spicy. Mix it well. On the pan, add 2 cups of water. Adjust flame to medium. Put rice cakes and stir. Now add fish cakes and keep stirring. When the water is boiled, put the sauce and mix them all together. It's already looking good. Add onions and green onions now. Keep stirring. I know stirring is boring, but otherwise rice cake will stick to the pan. Now add half tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay, please taste one of the rice cake now. If it's too salty, put just a little bit of more water. Yay, it's done!
Oh, yay!
To be honest, if you decided to have tteokbokki, it's diet-free day. So just enjoy it. Don't think about diet today, okay? Wow, it was really delicious itself, but add boiled eggs is always a good choice. I added ramen too. What the hell? It's so good with. And fried dumpling. Sorry guys, but these are the way to enjoy the perfect classic tteokbokki in real Korean way. Sorry. Bon appetit! How was your tteokbokki? Spicy but very tasty, right? I think tteokbokki is a kind of addictive dish. Maybe it's just me, but after I have tteokbokki, I keep craving for it. It's just that good. I hope you all enjoyed the tteokbokki. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe me for the next video. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye!